Hey guys, this is a Lager Zero Panzer 1 with my pull from new Galaxy Overload. I was going to do a draw when I opened the packs, but I decided not to. So what I got out of my box was one Turkish Knight, not bad card. Observing Observing is quite a nice card. Then I got two deaths. Heraclitic Dragon of Death. I've got two white tray Griffer, which again, okay card. Ancient Dragon, Evo Price, Hieroglyphic Seal of Convergence, which is an okay card. I got a Beatron, which a Beatron's a not bad card. Light Grey Griffer, Hammer Shark, Hieroglyphic Seal of Banishment. Oh, I've got another Hammer Shark. Light Trade Diablo. Oh, and I got another Ancient Dragon. I'll show you my really rare stuff at the end. Okay. I got two Rocket Arrow Express, which is quite cool because I'm thinking of running them in my Hyper deck at the moment. I got two Evo Destinies. Only two. Yeah, only two. I got the Exector crossbow. By the way, these are all up for trade. Two of the Photon Sea Monster level 4 one. Can't pronounce the second name. Really ridiculous. I got one Chaos Sorcerer, or Light Trade Sorcerer. Second of the Absorbing Jar. A Hieroglyphic of Azar, whatever you want to call it. Don't think I'd actually use it because, to be honest, it's not right. I don't think I'll run it. One for Elf, which is quite good. Once per turn, reveal what's in your hand, increase the level of that monster by. That's quite cool monster, spellcaster. So, secret, I got one Evo Lagio, whatever you want to call it. When this card is tribute, send it to graveyard, draw a card, then you can shuffle a dino from your hand to your deck and add an Evo from your deck to your hand. It's an okay card, I guess. The secret I got was Tribe and Tribulation. Nice little spell card for my dragon deck. Drag Connection, which is nice. And a Bounce Wand, which I can see how Bounce Wand would work. And then finally I got a Neo Galaxy Eye Photon Dragon, which I'm keeping because it is out of this world. It's just so sick. If you out of the commons, I got basically a whole hieroglyphic or heroic deck right here with loads of spares for it. Some spare dragons and tail dragons, sorry, and loads of suns, whatever you want to call it. This is sick. And then I've got loads of the common stuff for trade as well. So that's my box that I opened. If you want to trade, then let me know.